Hello, Kiki.
Yes, Himanshu. Nice to meet you.
Nice to see you too.
We're gonna eat Bun Cha.
Okay, sure.
और मैं था डेस्परेट, तो मैंने वहाँ पे एक चोरी कर ली।
अब मैं जा रहा हूँ दानांग। 4:30 हुए हैं। दानांग मैं पहुँचूँगा सुबह 5 बजे के आसपास। सुबह के 4 बज गए हैं और मैं दानांग पहुँच गया। 4 बज गए तो यानी मैं 2 बजे चढ़ा था। 12 और 14 घंटे हो गए मेरे को। कोई 4 बजे लिफ्ट देगा सुबह सुबह? गामन
हॉस्टल का गेट था बंद। अब बाहर लिखा था कि हम 6 बजे गेट खोलते हैं।
The phone is not working, the number is not working. I tried. बैग रखने की जगह मिल जाए ना, मैं बीच घूम के आ जाऊँ। अभी पास में ही है बीच मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है।
तो मैं हो गया ओवर एक्साइटेड और मैं लेने लग गया शॉट। कैमरा घुसा दिया मैंने पानी में, कैमरे में घुस गया पानी। मेरा चेक इन है, उसने कहा कि चेक इन तो 2 बजे के बाद ही होएगा। मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं, आपके पास हेयर ड्रायर है? उसने कहा हाँ। मैंने कहा यूज़ कर सकता हूँ? करी हाँ। तो मैंने GoPro पे हेयर ड्रायर मारा, कोशिश की कि पानी सूख जाए। उसके बाद चला के देखा, नहीं चला। जिस दिन दानांग में पहुंचा था ना, उस दिन मेरे को एक लड़की थी, उससे मिलना था। वो मेरे हॉस्टल से कुछ 4 किलोमीटर दूरी पे थी। मैं पहले पैदल जा रहा था, फिर मैंने लिफ्ट मांगी और लिफ्ट मिल गई।
Hey, you need visa to come here?
Yeah,
Oh, what to pay?
I paid around around $30.
Oh, got to pay.
Yeah. And then there's a stamping fees also here after arriving here. But I didn't have to pay.
मन ही नहीं कर रहा है यार कुछ करने का। मेरे को जब पता चला ना कि कैमरा चलेगा नहीं, अब मुझे तो चक्कर आने लगे जैसे राजू को नहीं आते हेरा फेरी, उस टाइप से यार। क्या बोलूँ अब।
मैंने ऐसे कैमरे को ना रस्सी पे बांध के ऐसे घुमाया, स्विंग किया अच्छे से ताकि पानी सारा निकल जाए। मैंने कहा अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता, अब तो पानी सुखा दिया, अब नहीं चला तो अब नहीं चलेगा।
बाहर आने का भी मन नहीं था, वो तो किसी से मिलना है इसलिए आ गया। और जगह बहुत अच्छी है यार, हनोई से अच्छी लगी है। भीड़ भाड़ कम है, हनोई में बहुत भीड़ भाड़ है। I think they have developed Danang city for tourism only.
Oh.
Because we never heard of Danang before, right? We just got to know it now.
But Danang people.
And all the construction here, you see the buildings, all these are new.
And then the Danang people are not so bad. Ho Chi Minh very bad. Be careful.
Ho Chi Minh?
Yeah, no good. The people there only money. No good. See here, okay. You pay more money, they give back.
Yeah, it's a big city thing, right? जितना कुछ पीछे ने किया था ना मुझे, उसका डबल दुखी कर दिया अब।
एक लास्ट ऑप्शन, चावल कहाँ से लाऊं? सुबह सुबह दुकान नहीं खुली है कोई। तो मैं गया हॉस्टल के किचन में, मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ कहीं चावल मिल जाए। तो एक पॉलीथिन में ना चावल पड़े थे। अब मैं देख रहा हूँ यार किससे पूछूं लेने के लिए, थोड़े से एक मुट्ठी पर चावल जिसमें कैमरा डूब जाए। अब वहाँ कोई था नहीं रिसेप्शन पे। मैंने कहा छोड़ो यार, निकालो चावल। कोई था नहीं वहाँ पूछने को और मैं था डेस्परेट, तो मैंने वहाँ पे एक छोटी सी चोरी कर ली। अब मैंने चावल निकाल लिया उसमें से और एक पॉलीथिन में डाल के कैमरा डाल के रख दिया।
So where you eat? Here? Where you eat?
I went to a place around 4 or 5 kilometers far from here yesterday.
Oh.
Yeah, I had a friend here, also Vietnamese, and we had dinner together.
Oh.
We had Bun Cha, the one I told you.
Oh. Noodle.
Yeah, noodle and veggies and then pork.
Hello, Kiki.
Yes, Himanshu. Nice to meet you.
Nice to see you too.
We're gonna eat Bun Cha.
Okay, sure.
यहाँ पे ना एक डिश है बुन चा जो मुझे काफ़ी अच्छी लगी थी हनोई में।
पर ये मिलता सिर्फ ब्रेकफास्ट के टाइम पे है और लंच में कभी कभी कहीं मिल जाता है। डिनर में तो कतई नहीं मिलता। कुछ शॉप्स होती है जो रात में भी देती है, जैसे कि वो शॉप थी जहाँ पे US फॉर्मर प्रेसिडेंट ओबामा आए थे, वो रात को देते हैं।
तो एक जगह पे हमने डिसाइड किया कि यहाँ मिलते हैं, यहाँ बुन चा मिल जाएगा।
So you just got here?
Yeah, around maybe 2 or 3 minutes.
Then I'm not late, right?
Yeah. You're not late.
हमने काफ़ी बातचीत की, फिर मेरा मूड थोड़ा ऑफ था बुन चा खा के थोड़ी वॉक वगैरह ली आसपास, बीच पे गए। तो मैं बीच में पानी में चल चल के अपने हॉस्टल पहुंचा। तो इतना कुछ करने का मन नहीं है, उससे मिल के आ गया ऐसे ही, ज़्यादा वीडियो वगैरह की नहीं, खाया पिया थोड़ा बहुत और फिर मैं सो गया।
It's 240,000. One duck. 240,000.
It's a duck.
Yeah, duck.
Okay.
You eat duck?
No.
Yeah, this one is the big one.
Wow. It's too big.
Ah, they cook for me. They kill, they cook for me.
Where is it?
Soup in Indonesia.
Okay.
And then we eat snake.
Do you often eat snake or black?
No.
Just tried.
Try in Indonesia. Our place cannot get. Okay.
How was it? Did you like it?
Just for fun. They say for healthy for.
But what about bad? Do you think it was healthy?
It's like chicken.
Said in many reports that COVID started from that.
No, I think start from America.
COVID?
They make it.
COVID from America?
Yeah, they
That's
make
it.
it. They want to control the world.
Have you tried Indian food?
Yeah.
What did you try?
The roti planta, all this curry, chicken curry, beef.
How was it?
Yeah, it's good.
It was easy for me to get food in Malaysia because there are so many Indian restaurants.
Yeah,
But here,
not many.
not many. You can just see one or two. And that's too, it's going to be very far from wherever you are.
Your flight ticket from India to here?
Yeah, from New Delhi, capital, to Hanoi.
So you'll be going back to Ho Chi Minh to fly back?
Yeah, I will hitchhike to Ho Chi Minh.
Huh?
I will hitchhike
Wow,
to Ho Chi Minh,
wow.
and then I have a flight ticket on first of June to New Delhi, India.
Wow. It's high, huh?
You know, I get a ride in around 15 to 20 minutes.
Oh,
There's a place in Vietnam called Vinh, V-I-N-H. But when I got on the truck, I asked the driver, where is he going? He said that he's going to Ho Chi Minh. So I changed my plan. I got on truck at 2 p.m. and I got off at 4 a.m.
wow.
So more than 14 hours in the truck, sleepless. And then when I got here, the door was closed. I went to the beach, and the beach really had me with surprise. With my camera broke down.
Oh.
Yeah, so I was really what do you call it, depressed yesterday. I didn't want to talk to anyone. That's why maybe I didn't see him. And then cold took me, and then cough now. So yeah, all of the bad things happening at the same time.
Never mind. It's nothing. Let bygone be bygone.
Yeah, I'm just trying to forget that.
Nothing. How you take the medicine? Any help?
I don't think it started working yet,
Oh.
but I'll try the second dose. I just have one, so can't tell, right?
But I think got to buy the
Yeah, I'll
lotion. I go to Bangkok. They got India street.
Little India.
Ah,
But I think India is a cheaper country compared to Thailand or any other country. You can get like, this bread. This bread I got it for like, how much was it? 15,000?
70 cents. 70 cents.
Yeah, around that. And you can get it in India for like less than 5,000. Even the water bottle here is like cost around 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, right? And it's around 5,000 in India.
But the problem, I cannot get internet.
Where?
Here in India airport.
Which airport was Chennai?
I also forgotten.
Was it New Delhi, Chennai or Mumbai?
Don't know. I want to transit to China.
But there's Wi-Fi at New Delhi airport. There's Wi-Fi at Mumbai airport, but I don't know about any other.
That's why I cannot get a Wi-Fi. I got few friends. They were going to India for fun. Lady. They will go to learn yoga and learn how to smoke ganja.
They will smoke ganja.
Yeah, he said the ganja in India is very good.
Yeah,
Better than Thailand.
Yeah.
Because he come to Thailand, he said, no, this ganja no good. India one very good.
Yeah.
Why?
Why that I cannot tell why, but I think there are many significant places where you can get the best
Good.
kind of ganja in the world.
Oh,
So you smoke ganja?
I try. I know smoking. I don't like smoke.
But
so
you try.
I try. I try to. Morning I go to eat the noodle, Hong Kong noodle, 25.
25?
25,000
Where is it?
outside. When we go out, the right side.
Okay.
Very beautiful shop.
So how was it?
Good.
Good?
Yeah. If chicken or pork, 40,000. But I don't eat meat too much. So 25,000.
You want to live longer, right?
No. Don't too long. No good. Because everyone gone already, left you, no friend. On the Buddha, they say life, live too long is no good.
In what? Buddhist?
Yeah. He said you got many sins, so you won't die.
I don't know. It's about salvation. It's about the inner peace. What religion is yours?
Everything. I'm looking, still cannot find.
You don't know your religion?
Yeah, but I know some story. One of the people asked the monk, when we die, we go heaven or hell?
Yeah.
But the monk said, I don't know.
Yeah.
Some monk will tell you, oh, you go to hell, you pay me money, I will help you to go to heaven.
Yeah.
But this monk, he said, I never die. So I don't know I go heaven or hell. But some monk will play a fool with you.
Yeah,
if
because
you pay money.
They're not the real monk, They're just being like that to make money.
Money.
Yeah. The one who is real won't ask for money. Buddhism started in India, do you know that?
Yeah.
And then it went to the Southeast Asia.
Yeah, we go to China.
Yeah.
Shaolin Kung Fu.
Yeah.
Also from India.
Yeah.
The Angkor Wat also quite beautiful.
Have you seen all parts of Angkor Wat?
I go there.
Okay.
But problem, some of the statue, they cut away the head. They can sell very high price.
They are just destroying their heritage sites,
Yeah.
It's not good.
And then somebody will buy it very high price. Indian temple in Kuala Lumpur also very beautiful. The cave, Batu Cave.
Batu Cave, yeah, I've been there.
Huh? You've been there?
Yeah.
Oh, very big,
Yeah. The statue is big and the cave inside, you go to the steps.
You know.
Have you tried those steps? Did you go there?
Wow, too high lah.
Yeah, did you go?
Yeah, I go there. Just down there, walk.
And how long did it take you to catch your breath again?
No, I just
2-2.5 दिन हो गए ना कैमरे को, तब मैंने एक और ट्राई मार के देखा कि अब चला के देखते हैं क्या पता चल जाए, तो देखा तो चल गया।